So here's the deal. You want to meal prep, you want it to be easy, and you don't want to be choking down dry chicken and rice. I got you. Today, I'll be giving you the simplest, most cost-effective meal prep you will ever need to reach your goals. So let's get you set up with a solid plan, get you in and out of the kitchen in less than an hour so you can stop shoveling handfuls of shredded cheese straight out of the bag and wasting all of your hard-earned coin on DoorDash. If you don't know me yet, my name is Des, the founder of Conquer Her Fitness, an online fitness coach, and my passion is helping women build their dream physiques by building healthy and sustainable habits that last a lifetime. If you'd like to work with me, I have a client application form down in the description below, and I would love to work with you to help you achieve your goals, whatever those goals may be. I'll be covering breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert because if I'm meal prepping, I'm gonna make sure it's full of meals that I really enjoy so I don't end up raiding the fridge at midnight like a little gremlin. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start with my favorite meal of the day, which is breakfast. And don't worry, I've got two options for you guys today because every time I mention overnight oats, somebody rolls their eyes, and I get it. It's so overdone, but it's so simple and it's such a staple. Let's get started.
The thing I love most about this recipe is how quick and versatile it is. All you need is the base ingredients and you can get creative and put whatever toppings you want and it's going to taste amazing. It also stays good in the fridge for up to 5 days. You just want to prep this the night before, leave it in the fridge overnight, and you're good to go.
So smooth, so creamy, and so filling. You cannot go wrong with this one. All right, for you overnight oat haters, I got you covered with this next recipe. We're gonna be making some egg white bites. These ones are one of my personal favorites. So I'm gonna pop the recipe right on the screen here or here. Super easy to make. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and I just realized I don't have spinach, but I do have bok choy. I don't really know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a try anyways. I'm all about experimentation, and if it works, great. If it doesn't, then we know for next time. Well, I just realized one of the ingredients we need for this recipe is shredded cheese, and I don't have it. And no, it's not because I've been eating it out of the bag, because I've been meal prepping. So we're just gonna do without it. Just pretend I'm using shredded cheese. This is my favorite flavor of Celsius, by the way. It is so good. Yum. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is chop some veggies. My eyes are burning. And we're gonna pretend this is spinach. Please don't come for me. Am I committing a crime here? So we're just gonna add a cup of egg whites, 2 whole eggs, and our imaginary shredded cheese. Let's whip it up. Oh, we need to spice it up. I'm gonna be using some Celtic sea salt, and no, there's nothing special about this. I just spent way too much money on it, so I need to use it. And let's put in some smoked paprika and some black pepper. Whatever seasonings you want. Let's grab our muffin pan, give it a good spray, and we're just gonna add in our egg mixture. Oh, you know what I have? Laughing Cow cheese wedges. Do we think this would work? Should I put it like half in each? We're gonna do it. We're already in this deep with the bok choy. We might as well try with the Laughing Cow. This might be the best thing I've ever done or the worst. We'll see. I mean, cheese is cheese, right? You can't really go wrong. Hey, that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna stick this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
A few moments later.
All right, our egg bites are done, so let's see how they taste. Ooh, yum. Looks promising. The Laughing Cow did not melt like I was hoping, but that's okay. All right, I'm impatient, so we're diving in. Duck in there. Okay, yum. Bok choy is not it, but hey, at least we tried. Just put spinach in its place and you're good to go. Other than that, solid breakfast choice. Delicious. All right, I have never been a soup fan my entire life. I don't know why, I just have never liked it, but this next recipe has changed the game for me, and that's gonna be noodle soup jars. It is so easy, and the fun thing with this recipe is, once again, it's totally customizable. You just need a base, protein, vegetables of your choice, and whatever noodles you want to use. You can use ramen noodles. Today I'm using vermicelli, so let's dive in and let me show you how simple this is. Okay, this is everything that I'm going to be using for my noodle soup jars. Pick whichever vegetables that you like. I'm going to be using some cilantro, bok choy, green onion, carrots, red pepper, and some edamame. For my protein, I'm going to be using some sriracha smoked tofu. Yum. You can do chicken, beef, whatever you prefer. These ingredients here are gonna make about 3 jars. Gonna chop these veggies up and we'll start assembling our bowl. Okay, so now to build our noodle soup jar. My base is going to be miso paste, but you could do curry, Put about a tablespoon of that and some soy sauce, sesame oil, a vegetable bouillon cube for some extra flavor, some garlic powder. Now I'm just gonna whisk this up. That smells divine. And now for the layers, we're gonna go from heaviest ingredients to lightest ingredients. So I'm gonna start with my protein and edamame. This is stacked. Okay, let's see if we can close this up. Oh yeah, just fits. Oh, that looks so good. All right, now bring your water to a boil and just let it settle. You don't want it to be too piping hot. Give it a shake. And we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. All right, time for the taste test. Yum. Delicious. This is so good and I cannot wait for you to give it a try and let me know how you like it. All right, it's time for dinner, which means we're halfway through, and I'm gonna introduce you to your new meal plan BFF, which is the sheet pan dinner. We're gonna be making a shrimp bowl with cilantro lime rice, and I can tell it's gonna be a new staple in your house. This is a meal that looks impressive while putting in minimal effort. See a theme here? Meal prep does not have to be boring, so let's get this bowl going. First things first is to heat up the oven to 400 degrees, and we are gonna get our cilantro lime rice started. About 2 cups basmati rice. Now that the rice is going, we're gonna chop our veggies. All right, for my veggies today, I'm gonna be doing some red onion, bell pepper, and some broccoli. If you wanted to make this even easier, you could use frozen vegetables. There is always a way to make it easier if need be. Okay, we are all done chopping and wow, that already looks amazing. So colorful. So I'm just gonna coat this in some avocado oil and some seasoning and toss it in the oven. And I'm gonna be using some taco seasoning for this dish today. We're gonna pop this in the oven for 18 minutes. Same thing for our shrimp. We're gonna coat this in some avocado oil and taco seasoning. Boom. All right, this is how easy this meal is. 18 minutes is done in the oven, and all we're gonna do is pop the shrimp in, mix it up, and pop it back in the oven for another 8 minutes. Okay, now that our rice is finished cooking, we're gonna spice it up. About 1/2 cup of cilantro, some salt, 1/2 a lime. Actually, you know what? We're gonna use the whole lime because I have no use for this other half and I don't wanna waste it. And then this is just personal preference, but I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Yum. Okay, our 8 minutes is done from the oven and that is just looking divine. Time to assemble. Take some of our rice. That is a perfect dinner. You could even add avocado, maybe some salsa, spice it up, get creative. Time for the taste test. This looks so good. Oh my God. You guys have to try this rice out. It is so easy and so delicious. You do not need to have boring plain rice in order to hit your goals. All right, we're going fast. We got under an hour to meal prep, remember? So we gotta be quick. We're gonna start on our dessert, frozen Greek yogurt bites. So we're gonna go 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 scoop of protein powder, Splenda just for a little bit of sweetness. You could also use maple syrup, stevia drops, and for the fruit, you can choose whatever kind you like. Today, I am using raspberries. I just found some peanuts in my cupboard, so we're gonna use those too. This is all about being creative, taking my recipe, making it your own, and adding whatever you have in your fridge. Now, the only thing that you might need that you don't already have for this recipe are these popsicle sticks. I've tried this recipe without the popsicle sticks and it ends up just becoming a mess. Those in there. Don't mind that one. Into the freezer. These turned out awesome. We're gonna drizzle some chocolate on top. We're just gonna do a nice little drizzle and then stick it back in the freezer. I think I skimped on the chocolate on this one a little. Oh, this does not look the best, but whatever, it tastes amazing. Love it. Cheers. perfect end to the day. Love it. All right, meal prep is complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Super easy, super cost effective, and now you have no excuse to live off of protein bars and Uber Eats. I really hope you found a new favorite recipe from this video today. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and also let me know what you'd like to see in the next one. Do we like more recipe videos? Maybe a little bit about me, a day in the life of an online coach and a pharmacy technician? Let me know. I'm here to make content that you enjoy that also makes your life a little bit easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.